This is iZEEKER 4K dual dash cam. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and install it on my vehicle. This one protects you and protects your family just in case somebody hits you and they don't admit. So I have the issue happened to me before, so it's a very bad experience. It got 4K and 1080p recording, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi control, and parking monitoring. This is the front camera and the monitor. The body is made of plastic, feels pretty good. And this is the camera, wide angle. And also on the back, this is sticker, and it looks like this can be, this is the microphone. Also, the cable is super long. This is connected to your car. This is the GPS, and they make a sticker. I think this design is pretty good. So in the accessory box, this is the plugs, and here is the suction cup, and this is camera for the back. The cable is super long. Today is pretty cold and the cable is soft. It's okay. They also come with the tools for you to manage the cable, put the cable into the panels. It offers two ways of installation. First one is the suction cup. The suction cup is very flexible. If you want it to be like really stable, I recommend use the iZEEKER. For this one, I'm going to use the suction cup. Just switch it to the lock position. I'm going to screw it, put it down. And top there is a slot, so just put the slot on. All right, not bad. The slot actually is pretty tight, and we screw that one in. So this can lock the position, and then we remove the film. And then we adjust the camera position. So you can see that the camera is facing the front, and it can turn the different angle, but for now this is pretty good. Now I'm going to do the cable thing. This tool is super handy. You see that it's pretty easy to push the wire tucked up inside. And now let's work on the rear camera. And here it got little plugs in, so very easy. This one gonna be the last part need to do. And now I'm gonna do this cable management. So basically I just put it right on the middle, just like that, and now it's fully connected. And I think that just like that, it's pretty neat. Probably need some further cable management, but I think for now it's good. And now plug in. So it started. It's the touch screen format. Yes. Alright, now we can see that the front is great, but on the back, this is the... I didn't read the manual, I just installed it, but I was reinstalled it upside down. But anyway, it's pretty sticky. I don't want to damage it. So after a few minutes, the screen is off, but the recording is still on. Now the image that you look at is actual the footage from the card. So this is the slow driving on a sunny day. And the second one is the on the highway at night. I think image is pretty clear. You can see clearly what's going on from the front and the back, even though it's dark. And then the last one is the highway in the daytime. Even though it's like 110 kilometers per hour, and I think the image is still good. I'm really happy with the product and result. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you.